Welcome to my fish room.
Go.
How come there's no red light on this one?
I don't know.
Okay.
Well, is it?
Yeah, you're recording right now. Okay, so we're 12:42. 12:42.
Well, then let's go. Stop talking.
So we're using our new camera. We think we know how. That's too dull now.
Yeah, extremely. And your peeler thing broke.
No, it just needs another bolt in it. Yeah. Okay, this is Florida, February 7th. This box looks old.
They're all oldish looking.
No, they should be brand new boxes.
Well, then they all just got wet bottoms.
Emerald crabs.
They don't pack their boxes very.
This one is the loosest packed box I ever seen.
There's some that are even lighter.
So those are emerald crabs. They're really good for eating bubble algae. Oh, decorator crab. They sit on top of things and look decorative.
Can you put multiple in a tank?
Oh yeah, you can have as many of them as you want. They had some interesting stuff on them.
Another decorator crab.
No, this is what they call a frilly arrow crab.
Does he grow those or he picks them up?
He picks them up.
Can't put them together?
Well, this is an arrow crab. This...
They're both the same, aren't they?
No!
No, they're different.
This guy's got a small body. That guy's got a big body. Two frilly arrow crabs, one decorator arrow crab, two sponge crabs, and peppermint shrimp. Peppermint shrimp, looking a little pale, a little washed out. Okay, this has sea cucumber, coral banded 50 ceras, 10 neorites, 3 redfoot tooth snails, and 6 bristle stars. I wonder what a redfoot tooth snail looks like. Coral banded shrimp I didn't order. I still got some from
A while ago.
when I was young. When I still had hope.
How do you acclimate them?
Separately. Not a very big one.
He's eating him. And they're kind of fighting too.
You guys just a few? I find them on the same rock all the time. Upside down? That's a good sized one. Oh, you got a red one. They sent one that wasn't healthy when they shipped it. Sea cucumber guts. But they can regrow their guts. Are they selling heat packs? They certainly put a lot of heat packs and everything.
It's cold here in Canada.
Maybe they get extra money for all the heat packs they can sell. Seraph snails?
There's already a bucket up here.
For Seraph?
No, just a bucket in general.
Oh no, those are hermit crabs. Or at least one's hermit crab. Some of them are snails.
Okay, keep opening.
Why? I've given up on getting sleep tonight.
I haven't. Why are you... Oh, there's nothing left in that box?
What?
Well, you went on to open another box. And there was...